Hi, welcome back to another video. In this series, you already know I'm talking about how we can transform our life from ordinary person to gentleman, and what is the requirement for that, and what we should do for we can change so that we can change our life. This is not a small journey, so I do the research on what is the requirement for that. So I got some areas like some topics, so where we will learn about the topic and that will enhance your personality. So there's six areas. So one is the, let me tell you, the personal development, and second is the health and fitness, that's most requirement, and the communication skill. This is really important for transform our life. And the fourth is financial growth. If you transform your life, if you're not able to know, like if you're not able to handling your finance, that means you're not transform your life. And the fifth one, relationship and networking. Relationship, how your relation with your family, how your relation with your colleagues, how your relation with your teams. So this is really important. And network same also goes like the relation, like network, how you networking with your how you network, like politician, some businessman. That's also most requirement. And the first and the last one, the career and the personal growth. And these are six area where we have to learn. So, and this areas also has five categories where you can learn. So every single topic I will give you the four area, like the points what we will learn in every single area. So there's the one, personal development. You will learn there's a few lines, like there's a few terms, uh, self and awareness and goal setting and the discipline, learning the mindset and the time management. It goes in the personal development. In this personal development, you will get every single each topic, you will get 4 to 5 videos that will tell you everything from zero to advanced level, and that's really most important. And same is goes health and fitness. And there also I choose 5 point in that column, like exercise, nutrition and sleep, the stress management and hydration. So in this also we'll get 5 videos each of topic, so that we will cover every single thing which is required for our transform. I know this is not easy things to transform our life. For example, for me, I have been working last 3 or 4 years. And third is communication. In communication, what you will learn, there's a clarity in storytelling, activity and active listening, body language and public speaking. So there you will learn every single thing. And the fourth one is the financial growth. Financial growth nowadays is very requirement and very important. So in the financial growth, what you will learn, the budgeting and investment, the multiple income streams and the depth of the management. And the last one, financial literacy. These are points will enhance your financial things which is required. And in this you will get 5 videos every single topic. So next it goes to this is it. If I'm making every single 4 to 5 videos, that will become more, I mean more bigger videos, more videos on that. So if you're thinking why should I waste on time in this video, why should I watch, I believe that you, if you really interested to learn about it, so I'm sure that you will not see about this. And if you joining our community, that I believe you will get every single things what is required for a transformation. And the last one, and not last, at least, the relationship and the network marketing. There you will learn the empathy and the quality, network marketing, conflict and gratitude. These are really most important thing. In why I divided all those part, because we can learn every single thing from zero to advanced, so that you will understand. So what is requirement to communication, what is requirement to financial, what is requirement to network and relationship, what is requirement for the career and the personal growth. In the personal and career growth, what you will learn, you will learn skill enhancement, mentorship and work ethics and the adaptability and the personal branding. These are topics you will learn. And let me tell you one thing that might be thinking like why I should watch this video. I'm going to create the series. Every series has everything like there's series like seven series. There's one transformation self. So that you will get all videos. And I divided also one more point. The personal growth, you will get some videos like person. If you check out the personal growth playlist, you will get all those things and all those video. What is the requirement for the personal. Same it goes like financial. If you check out the financial check playlist, then you will get everything from zero to last one, and say it goes all same barriers. So I believe that I'm going to start in the next week, and now I'm just giving what we will start and everything. This is not I write myself. I'm not watching some video so I grab from their knowledge. No, this is I do the research and best mentor and best I choose some books where is the requirement of what we need to do. So you know already, you guys, if you're really interested to learn about personal transformation, you just stay and hit well I can, so you will get notification when I upload the video of transformation. So in this video I'm not going to make all the bigger video which I made the last one. It's fine, but yes, and don't go to see, I'm again telling you, if you really interested, then you join. Otherwise no need to waste your time, just do what you are actually looking, and that's it. So we will